Assalamu Alaikum, dear viewers. Salah is one of the most important acts of worship in Islam. It's our direct connection with Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala. Every part of it is filled with immense spiritual significance. But did you know that even the smallest mistakes in our prayer can affect its validity and the blessings we receive from it? Today, we're going to uncover 5 subtle signs that you might be making mistakes during Salah. These mistakes are easy to overlook, but they could be impacting the quality and reward of your prayer. Let's explore these mistakes and learn how to perfect our Salah. First section, posture. Let's start with posture, one of the most crucial aspects of Salah. It may seem simple, but if done incorrectly, it can affect your prayer. So, what are the common mistakes? The first mistake is not straightening your back while standing in Qiyam. If your back is slouched, it's not just uncomfortable, it can also make your prayer incomplete. Try to stand tall, keeping your spine aligned. Next, the position of your hands. Some people don't place their hands correctly on their chest after saying, Sami Allahu liman hamida. Your hands should rest just below your chest in a relaxed but firm position. Be mindful of this. And finally, misaligned feet. In Salah, your feet should be parallel to each other, especially in the standing position. If your feet are too wide or pointing in different directions, it's not the ideal posture. Make sure your feet are aligned and your stance is firm. Second section, recitation. Now, let's move on to the recitation. This is the heart of your prayer. Missing even a small word or incorrectly pronouncing Arabic can affect the meaning and validity of your Salah. First, ensure that you're not missing words or phrases in the surahs and du'as. Every word carries significance, so make sure you're reciting them clearly. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to revise. Next, incorrect pronunciation of Arabic words can change their meaning. The Arabic language is rich in phonetic detail, so if you're unsure of certain words, consider practicing with a teacher or using online resources. Lastly, pay attention to the rhythm and intonation. Reciting with the right flow, not rushing or dragging the words, helps you connect with your prayer more deeply. Third section, movements. Moving on to the physical aspects of Salah, let's talk about the movements. Salah requires precision in every position, from bowing to prostration. Some subtle mistakes can make a big difference. Rushing or neglecting certain movements, like bowing or prostration, is a common mistake. Salah is about calmness and mindfulness, so take your time and perform every movement with focus and tranquility. Another mistake is making unnecessary movements. Fidgeting or shifting around distracts from the sacredness of your prayer. Keep your body still, especially when you're in prostration or sitting between movements. Lastly, maintaining the proper posture during each movement is essential. Your back should be straight during ruku, and your forehead, nose, both palms, both knees, and all toes should touch the ground during sujood. Seeking guidance and perfection. Remember, Salah is not just a physical act, it's a spiritual journey. Seeking guidance from knowledgeable scholars and reflecting on your prayer habits are key to improvement. Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala appreciates our efforts, and He rewards those who strive for perfection in their worship. By correcting these subtle mistakes, you can strengthen your connection with Allah and perform Salah with the intention and accuracy it deserves. Always strive for excellence, and remember, even small improvements in your prayer can bring immense rewards. Thank you for watching. May Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala accept all our prayers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on perfecting our worship. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or tips you'd like to share with others. Assalamu Alaikum.